Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first you gotta do is to open up the Play Store. Here type in Opera, and once the needed app is found, just tap on install. Wait for the app to get installed and downloaded and installed. It will take no more than a few seconds, so we'll just wait. Right now all that is left to do is to open it and set up some first launch stuff. So here we gotta continue. Choose whether we want some of the options to be enabled or disabled right from the start. I'll just enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as a default browser. Tap on allow. And that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.